Hi friends, April here from Heart Center Lifestyle, and I'm making candles today. I don't know if you guys have made candles before with soy wax, but it's really easy, and so I just want to do a quick video and show you how to do it. First, I have water boiling right here that I'll make into a double broiler with my wax. I have a jar designated just for making wax, and I have jars that I got at the dollar store, just like this. And then I have my Wicks hot glue gun to glue the wicks down with pens, and I have rose petals that I'm going to add to some of the candles. And then this is just a big bag of soy wax that I got off of Amazon. So first I'm going to add wax to my jar, and I'm going to probably fill it up 3/4 way. And I'm going to put this in the bottom of my pan right here to act as a double broiler. You don't want your jar to sit flat on the boiling water pan. So I'm just going to let this melt down, and then we'll make candles. So you can see the wax is melting down, and this jar just happens to be the right size for this pot that I can kind of just lay it here and just kind of mix it around. Gets a little warm. I'm going to turn it down just a little bit. But this is what we're doing so far. So you can see it's melted down quite a bit. There's just a few chunks left in there. So I'm going to go ahead and pull it out and add more wax, because we filled it probably to there and it's already melted down. I'm going to fill it back up again. A full jar of this wax pretty much takes care of these 4 jars. Stick that back in. Just keep stirring it around. I've probably only been doing this maybe 5 minutes. So it's pretty fast. So we're going to let this continue. And while that's happening, I'm going to see if I can show you the jars, how you do the wicks. So I've got my hot glue gun ready. And I'm going to put some glue on this little puppy and just stick it in the bottom of the jar. And I'm going to let that set for a minute. I'm going to stir this. We're also going to add essential oils for the smell. I like using doTERRA and Young Living, but I also love the oils that are at Mountain Rose Herbs here in Eugene, Oregon. Okay, so from here, and you can do 2, by the way. I probably should have done 2. I'm just going to wrap this around my pen. Oh, golly. You know what? That didn't work. Sorry, guys. Let me do this one more time. There we go. So that's going to sit. Let's do the next one. I think I need to wrap it first. Glue gun. That way you don't have to buy those little, you know, the little metal things that go on the bottom of candles. You can just do it like this. Okay. Oh. So we're down to that much. You can see it's pretty clear. I'm going to add one more time. So I really want this jar, I'd like it to be about here once it's all melted. And also I have these cute little, these are those yogurt glass jars that everyone's always saying, what do we do with these? Because they're cute and they're nice. And so I'm using these also. Pretty cute. We're all melted. So now, if you've noticed, this will keep my wick stable, right? So right now I'm just filling them up. And I don't quite have enough for the fourth one, so I'm just gonna wait on that. And so from here, I can add essential oil for smell, and I'm gonna use wild orange. I've already done some peppermint, lavender, and clove. And I'm gonna do 12 drops, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 in each one. And then I just use a toothpick to kind of swirl it around, mix it up. And these are gonna set up really beautiful. Once, you know, it really only takes an hour maybe. Once this starts thickening up, I'm gonna add some rose petals to it. If you put them in right now, they'll all drift to the top. So if I wait a little bit till this is thickened up, I can kind of push them down and add more and swirl it in. And this is what it looks like afterwards. Pretty, right? And that's it. That's how you make your own soy candles. Pretty simple. Thanks for joining me. Bye.